Welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here, and today we are going to be putting headers on every page, either to print or to view. So let's begin. So right now I have a table with headers across the top, and if I click on File and if I click on Print and I come over to the first page, you can see that there's headers across the first page. Well, when I go to page 2, you can see that there's no headers up here. So what we want to do is we want to put the headers on the second page and subsequent pages. So the way to do that is come over to the Page Layout tab, and we're going to come over to our Page Setup area, and over to the right there's something called our Quick Launch. We're going to left click on Quick Launch, and we're going to come over to the Sheet tab. In the Sheet tab, I want to left click where it says Print Area. So now I am selecting the area that I want to print, including the headers. So I'm going to hold my left mouse button down, I'm going to drag all the way down, and I'm going to select the entire area, and it is going to automatically put in the print area that I want to select. And I'm going to left click my mouse where it says Print to Repeat at top. I'm going to come back up to my headers, and I'm going to left click my mouse right on the row number 1, so right on the number 1, and it selects the entire area. And it should say $1, $1, which is the area. I'm going to go ahead and click OK at this point. And now when I do File and when I do Print, you can see it's on the first page. I'm going to come down to the bottom here. I'm going to left click the front arrow, and you can see now that it is on the second page. So that's how you do it, and it's on subsequent pages too. So you can see that I have to obviously adjust the margins on my page as well, page layout. But the headers are on every single page. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like what I have to say, subscribe. Peace out.